Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to log into your Barclay account. First, we need to open up any web browser. In today's video, I am going to use Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in Barclay Bank. After that, you will see an option called Online Banking. Click on that, which will lead you to its official web page. The first thing you see is the login page. You need to choose any one form of login method. After choosing either membership number, card number, or sort code account number, type in the information needed and click on the box "Remember my last name and login" if you want your device to remember you. If you're using a public device, then better not click the option. After doing that, click continue. And in case if you forgot your membership number or any option that you have choose, then click on forgot the membership number or any. It will guide you to recover it. Now that was the process of logging into your Barclay bank account. If you find this video helpful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification if you wish to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching the video.